Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making yellow cake mix chocolate chip cookies. You just need a few ingredients: a box of yellow cake, oil, eggs, and chocolate chips, and brown sugar. You want to put all your ingredients into a bowl. We are adding our cake mix. We're going to add our eggs. Then we're going to mix in our oil, or you can use butter. You want to mix it well. And then we're going to add our chocolate chips. I use mini chocolate chips. I didn't want to use big chocolate chips. So I'm just folding in my chocolate chips. You want to place spoonfuls of batter onto a baking sheet. Then top with a little extra chocolate chip on the top. You want to bake at 350 degrees, anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. Then transfer the cookies to a cooling rack. We have made yellow cake chocolate chip cookies. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.